Right, good evening. We're at the Commodore condo, unit 2202. We're going to go inside in just a minute. What I wanted to show you is we're on the second floor. I took the elevator up, the parking lot is there. There's also garages that you can take possession of. We're just off A1A. And you can see up top here, they do have a patio area. And then there is your pool area. And spa. And then there's the Banana River. Okay, so there's two buildings. We're in the building on the right. And then the beach is just across A1A behind those buildings there. We're very close to a Publix. So next, that's a shopping center over. And we're about one or two blocks off A1A to the west. So let's go over into the condominium. It is a 2-2. It allows a minimum of 3-month rentals. Let's go inside. So you do have a little bit of crown molding in the entrance. As you can see, tile floors. Hot water heater, small little closet inside there. And let's go inside. Here's the first bedroom. You've got carpeting. There is no light on that fan, so it's a little dark in here. The first bath here, you do have a granite countertop. Very clean, your toilet. And you have your shower in here. All in good shape. You have a separate door entrance there off the main living area and then back into the bedroom here. And you do have a nice big walk-in closet as well. Crown molding inside. Carpeting is in decent shape. Let's step into the kitchen. Again, you have a solid surface, backsplash, good sized kitchen. Good sized kitchen. Lots of counter space, lots of cabinet space. Got the older lighting system up there. Got the fan. Undermount sink, which is nice. Big sink. You can see the view there through the living room. It's beautiful. And then here's your laundry room in here. Washer dryer. You got some cabinets up there. Window. And little broom closet. You even have some lighting underneath. That's nice. Okay, let's continue on. This was the bathroom we already saw. That was connected to the bedroom. Now we step into the main living area. So you got some nice bar stools right here that you can sit at the sink area there. You have another little section over here. They're using a little wine rack. You can see the surfboards here. Super nice, paddle boards. Crown molding again. You can see the light here, so obviously at one point you can have a little dining room table or whatnot. Main living area, good space, tile floors in great shape, grouts in good shape. And then here's the beautiful balcony. Again, second floor, overlooking the Banana River. Step outside, you can see the balcony's a good sized balcony here. They do have storm shutters. Nice storm shutters, just roll right up if there's a hurricane coming. You can see. Beautiful. Very quiet. Beautiful sunsets. You got a little dock area there as well. I just want to hang out here. This is awesome. Fantastic. Oh, there goes a pelican. Okay. That's your bedroom over there. That is your second bedroom. Okay. So, again, balcony area here. Okay, let's go back inside. second bedroom. Again, the lighting, I didn't open up the shades all the way, but you're gonna get some nice, I don't know why the one light bulb is not working in there, but you get your views right off the balcony. You can step out to the balcony from here. And then you also have your window here as well, to the bedroom. Crown molding, good sized bedroom here. Got the walk-in closet. Again, the carpeting is in good shape. Got some extra shelving up there. That's pretty nice. And then the bathroom. Again, you got the granite. Looks in good shape. I don't know if that light's working. Let's see. Yeah, it's got the fan going too. And the shower's in good shape. And then you're gonna have a little closet back there as well. Okay, give you a good view from stepping out of this bedroom here. There's the hallway down to the door. You got the kitchen. You've got the laundry room. Really nice, cozy, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, large kitchen, laundry room, great balcony. You got a pool out there. You got the spa. Just a great view. It's fantastic. Okay, I'm going to try and get some videos from out front as well. Yeah, there you go. Let me know your thoughts.